everyone. Welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to analyze the Hindu newspaper for 27th July 2020. आज हम 27 जुलाई 2020 का द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालाइज करने जा रहे हैं और आज हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी सॉल्व करने वाले हैं. वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम क्वेश्चंस टुडे, राइट? PDF of my classes are available on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease, and the resources, the notes, other class notes, all of those are available on my Telegram channel. You can download them from my Telegram channel. Name is Simplifying UPSC with Ease and link is given below in the description box. Telegram channel का नाम है Simplifying UPSC with Ease और उसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है. आप वहां से टेलीग्राम को ऐप को इंस्टॉल करके वहां से टेलीग्राम चैनल पे आप पहुंच सकते हो. ऑल्सो आई एम टेकिंग लाइव क्लासेस on Unacademy Plus, and if you want to subscribe to Unacademy Plus for my courses or any other course or batches, 2021 batch, 2020 batch, then you can apply code Sharma20 to get 10% discount also, right? Starting with this question, solve this question. Question number 1, 26th constitutional amendment sometimes mentioned in the news is related to defection of MPs, MLAs, office of profit, speaker power within the house, privy purses. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है, फटाफट से इसको सॉल्व करें, जल्दी से सॉल्व करो. इट्स वेरी वेरी इजी. Correct answer is D. Correct answer is D. That is privy purses. It has been in news also. We have studied this news as well. कुछ दिन पहले हमने ये न्यूज पढ़ा था, पद्मनाभा स्वामी टेम्पल केस. So the 2011 Kerala High Court decision was reversed by the Supreme Court. Right? Supreme Court ने केरला हाई कोर्ट का डिसीजन रिवर्स कर दिया था, जिसके कारण जो अब रॉयल फैमिली है वो श्री पद्मनाभा स्वामी टेम्पल के डीटी के जितने भी प्रॉपर्टीज हैं उसको मैनेज कर सकती हैं, राइट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर परसेप्शन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट वर्ल्ड वाइड, विच क्लाइमेटिक रीजन डू यू थिंक कंटेन्स द मोस्ट फॉरेस्ट? बोरियल रीजन, टेम्परेट रीजन, ट्रॉपिकल और सब ट्रॉपिकल? Correct answer to this question is इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है C, tropical. The world's total forest area was 4.06 billion hectares, which was 31% of total land area. Largest proportion of world's forests were tropical, that is 45%. Then comes boreal, then temperate, and then subtropical. Question number 3, Global Forest Resource Assessment 2020 has been released by Global Forest Watch, World Resource Institution, International Union for Conservation of Nature, that is IUCN, Food and Agriculture Organization. Correct answer to this question is, it is D, Food and Agriculture Organization. FRA 2020 निकला है ना, right? FRA 2020 has released a report, Global Forest Resource Assessment 2020 report, right? 2020 का ये आपको प्रीलिम्स 2021, 22, 2020 के लिए तैयार करना है. ऑल राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, स्टेट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड पॉपुलेशन 2020 हैज बीन रिसेंटली रिलीज्ड बाय वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर माइग्रेशन, यूनाइटेड नेशंस पॉपुलेशन फंड. Correct answer to this question is Correct answer is D, United Nations Population Fund. So now let's start with the news. 200 proposals from China wait for security clearance by MHA. About 200 investment proposals from China are awaiting security clearance from Ministry of Home Affairs after new rules were notified in April. As FDI is allowed in non-critical sectors, underline this. This is important for prelims. Foreign direct investment non-critical sectors में भी allowed है through automatic route. Underline this. So when we talk about FDI, जब हम FDI की बात करते हैं, what is FDI? FDI is foreign direct investment. Any investment from an individual or firm that is located in a foreign country into a country is called FDI. कोई ऐसी फर्म जो बाहर लोकेटेड है वो जब एक दूसरी कंट्री में इन्वेस्ट करती है उसको हम फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट बोलते हैं, राइट. बट इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फॉरेन पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टमेंट. फॉरेन पोर्टफोलियो इन्वेस्टमेंट अलग है. व्हाट इज एफपीआई? फॉरेन एंटिटी. व्हाट इज एफपीआई? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. Foreign entity merely buys equity shares of a company, that is FPI, that is foreign portfolio investment. But investment of money, investment of tech, skills, knowledge, expertise by a foreign country in a country, that is known as your FDI. Okay, इतनी बात समझ आ गई. Now in case of FDI, 100% FDI, it is permitted under the automatic route in which sectors? In manufacturing, in oil, in gas, in greenfield airports, in construction, in railway infrastructure, etc. All right. Next important news, itolizumab may go off regimen. Now what is itolizumab? It's a lab-cloned antibody drug which is approved for cirrhosis. In the last class I discussed an MCQ on cirrhosis. मैंने MCQ के ऊपर एक cirrhosis MCQs के ऊपर cirrhosis topic को MCQs के through discuss किया था, right? तो आपको cirrhosis को पढ़ना है, last class एक बार देखना, ठीक है? So what is this drug? ये drug क्या है? It is a lab-cloned antibody drug for cirrhosis developed by Bengaluru-based Biocon Biologics. It has been approved for emergency use in the treatment of moderate and severe disease by DCGI in patients. Right? Clear? So ये इस ड्रग के बारे में आपको प्रीलिम्स में पूछा जा सकता है. बेसिकली कोविड-19 की टास्क फोर्स बनाई है ना, वो इस ड्रग के इमरजेंसी यूज के लिए अपनी सहमति नहीं दे रहे हैं. They are not giving their permission. Next important news, Russia Navy will soon get hypersonic N weapons, that is nuclear weapons. Russian President Vladimir Putin said that Russian Navy would be armed with hypersonic nuclear strike weapons and underwater nuclear drones. So basically this news is just important for prelims. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ prelims के लिए important है that Russia is also going to get hypersonic nuclear strike weapons. इनकी खासियत आपको पढ़नी है. Okay? Now answer this question. Consider the following statements with reference to Environmental Performance Index 2020. It is published by German Watch. Among South Asian countries, India was at third position after Pakistan on climate change. All South Asian countries except Afghanistan were ahead of India in the ranking. Which statement is correct? कौन सी statement correct है? I hope you all have marked your answers. Correct answer is B. B correct answer है. That is statement 3 is correct. Statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. So 12th edition of Biennial Environment Performance Index has been released. It is published, preceded by Environmental Sustainability Index published between 1999 to 2005. And it is a method of quantifying and numerically marking environmental performance. It is developed from the Pilot Environmental Performance Index. And basically ये जो index है ना, ये country को ranks करता है 11 categories पैरामीटर्स को पढ़ने के बाद, राइट। एक इकोसिस्टम की हेल्थ कितनी अच्छी है, वाइटलिटी कितनी अच्छी है, उसको मेजर किया जाता है इस इंडेक्स में। इंडिया की रैंक है 168। यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इंडियाज रैंक ऑल्सो, ओके। So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's class. अगर आपको आज की क्लास अच्छी लगी तो do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.